Roof maintenance gets ahead of roofing problems by extending the life of your roof as much as 20%. There are many benefits to maintenance, like triggering insurance discounts, meeting homeowners association maintenance compliance requirements, and increasing property values. An initial roof inspection is followed up with photographs and recommendations. Callaway will then schedule debris removal from accessories such as pipes, vents and gutters, all without direct physical contact with the homeowner. Callaway Roofing has roof maintenance and roof cleaning plans for residential, multifamily developments, and commercial property. Maintain your roof with Callaway. It's fast, affordable, and convenient.